Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review, and today's sponsor is Klaiyi Hair. That's how it's pronounced. Klaiyi. You guys know. Fun thing about this company, when I first came here and started to do my hair, I used to buy wigs from them all the time. Now we working together. They were my favorite 4 years ago, I think, or 5 years ago. Anyway, we are gonna go in and see what's in this box. Alright, so thank you to Klaiyi Hair for sponsoring this video. I need to get it right. Okay, this here seems like it has some color. So always in the box we get goodies. Let's take out everything that's in the box. They help us out all the time, okay? We got some clips. We have some nail, some wig cap, and their edge band. Ugh, it took me a minute, girl. And then now this is the wig. This is in 22 inches. It's a Brazilian hair. I'm excited to see what's inside. This is a different type of wig, okay? We're gonna talk about it. It's a different type of wig. This is a different type of wig. It's a double wear flip and go. That's what they call it. I'm so excited to show you guys. Oh my god, look at the color. Can you guys see that? Alright, okay. So we are gonna go in because I wanted to give you guys details of this wig. This part is the side, and this is how the front looks, okay? And then inside we have combs on both sides, and then we can pull the wig so we can have it snug, and then we have the band. Now when you flip the wig, it's the flip and go. You can wear this wig on in the middle, or you guys can wear it on the side. The flip and go, you can pull the sides to get the wig more snug as this. Then you pull it open to loosen it. So we have this part. So this is it, and this is the side part of the wig, and this is how it looks. And then you just flip it around, and then you get the middle part. So basically you guys can wear this wig however you want. So this is the middle, you flip it over, and then let's try to slip the wig on. First, this is with the side way. I am gonna go in and what do you call it? Pluck some of it. We're gonna keep it on the side for now. I'm gonna show you guys both sides, but I'm gonna go in and pluck some of the hair so it doesn't have this wig effect. We want to make sure that it's giving real hair, okay? And it's looking like a wig right now, but okay, found the tweezer. So I'm gonna go in
bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just mad and fuck. We was living fast.
Alright guys, this is the first style and it's cute, it's simple. I added mousse and a little bit of water to it, so it's basic. It comes with the part. I did just a little minor plucking and add a little bit of baby hair, so it is still glueless. And you place it back down. So this is the first style. The length is 22 inches. We are gonna have it like this. And then I'm gonna show you guys the middle part. Love it, so cute and so simple. So what do you guys think? This is a versatile wig. You don't have to worry about the one wig can wear two wigs. How cool. So this is a side wig. It's a reddish brown, 22 inches. I think it's water wave. Pretty simple, pre-cut lace. Everything was pre-cut. I just added a little bit of makeup on the lace. It was super basic. So this is it. Let's get into it and then switch it up.
Yeah. Swear fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. What we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? What's that?
Okay, this is it in the center. Yes. One wig, two style. Now this is it with the center part. You can add baby hair if you want. I didn't. I just kind of finessed the part and stuff like that. Now it requires a little bit of plucking if you want, but you can do like I do and ease the top up so it gives it that nice humph look. But I love the color. The color is giving. It's giving. So this is how it looks in the center. One wig, two style, like I said. Make sure you guys check the description and grab this wig because you are not gonna miss out. It's perfect. It's the one wig. If you're a person who either don't wear wigs or think you don't want to purchase two wigs, affordable. One wig, two style. Okay, today you're in work with a center part. Tomorrow you have it on the side. So this is it, and thank you to Klaiyi Hair again for sending this beautiful wig. I added a little bit of mousse. Remember, I had the mousse in sideways already, so it didn't require much. All I had to do is just fix the hair so it lay down for the center part or for the different style. And that is it. So check the description. Let's get into the cute part.
Certified temptation. Top gun is on vacation. I'm not trying to hurt nobody.
Count up the hurts, I promise some patience. Give you some gain and slow motivation. We need the gas, spend in the place. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas imagine. Heard that bitch making no rumors. She get more hair than the tumor.